Hi guys, have you ever wondered what trading is? A lot of people hear that word and immediately start thinking of Wall Street, charts, and even gambling. But trading is much more simpler than that. And it's something you've been doing without even realizing it. At its core, trading is just the act of buying and selling of something. Imagine you bought a phone for a $200 for an example, and you sold it for a $300. You just traded. You buy low and you sell high, and you made a profit of $100. That's just trading in simplest form. Now, when we talk about trading in the financial market, instead of buying or trading phones and goods, traders trade something like the stock, which is the shares of companies, Forex, which is trading currency pairs like a USD versus a GPP, something like that. Then crypto, you trade something like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, etc. And we have commodities, where you trade something like gold, oil, etc. But the goal, or let me say the aim, is still the same: to buy when the price is lower and sell when the price is higher, or they sell when the price is higher and buy cheaper. That's called a short selling. Now, here is an important point: trading is not gambling. Gambling relies on luck, but trading relies on analysis, strategy, and discipline. Traders use tools like charts, market news, and risk management to make informed decisions. The better your skill and knowledge, the better your chances of success. Now, trading matters because it gives people opportunity to grow their money, diversify income, and even build wealth. But you must know this: trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience, practice, and the right mindset. So now, what is trading? Simply put it like this: it's buying and selling with purpose, using skill, strategy, and discipline. And in this series, I will break down the basics step by step so you can start your trading journey the right way. Peace and love.